rectangular components in 3 dimensions. A bar is the vector in a space. It resolves into 3 rectangular components: ax bar, ay bar, az bar. So a bar can be written as a bar is equal to ax bar plus ay bar plus az bar. A bar is a vector in space resolved into 3 rectangular components. So we can find the magnitude of a bar. So magnitude of the given vector a bar is equal to, this can be written as modulus of a bar. Magnitude of a bar equals to modulus of a bar is equal to a, that equals to root of ax square plus ay square plus a z square. A is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. We can also express vector a bar in terms of unit vectors. We can also express vector a bar in terms of unit vectors. A bar is equal to axi cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Axi cap. Let us see some example problems. Problem 1. A force is represented by F bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap Newton. What is the magnitude of force? So given vector F bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. So I have to find the magnitude. Magnitude of F bar is equal to, that can be written as modulus of F bar. Modulus of F bar means magnitude of F bar is equal to root of the formula root of ax square plus ay square plus az square formula. So now I cap coefficient to 2, root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that equals to square root of 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9 plus 6 square is equal to 36. So the total, that equals to square root 49, the total. So the magnitude of F bar vector is equal to root of 49, that equals to 7. So force, the unit of the force in Newton, 7 Newton. Example 2. Two vectors are given as a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 6k cap and b bar is equal to 8i cap minus 4j cap plus 8k cap. Find modulus of a bar plus b bar. Modulus of a bar plus b bar means magnitude of a bar plus b bar. So given vectors a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 6k cap. B bar is equal to 8i cap minus 4j cap plus 8k cap. So first I have to find a bar plus b bar, their addition. So a bar plus b bar is equal to, a bar means 3i cap plus 9j cap minus 6k cap plus b bar means 8i cap minus 4j cap plus 8k cap. So that equals to 3i cap plus 8i cap can be written as 3 plus 8 of I cap plus 9j cap minus 4j cap can be written as 9 minus 4 of j cap plus minus 6 plus 8 of k cap. 3 plus 8, 11 I cap. 9 minus 4, 5j cap. Minus 6 plus 8 plus 2 k cap. Therefore, a bar plus b bar is equal to 11 I cap plus 5j cap plus 2 k cap. Next, I have to find the modulus of a bar plus b bar, that is magnitude of a bar plus b bar. So according to the formula, root of ax square plus ay square plus az square formula, I cap coefficient 11, root of 11 square plus 5 square plus 2 square, that equals to root of 11 square 121 plus 5 square 25 plus 2 square 4, 150. 121 plus 4, 125 plus 25, 150. Root of 1. Modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to root of 150. Now, example 3. The x and y components of a bar are 4 and 6, and those of a bar plus b bar are 10 and 9. Find the components and magnitude of b bar. So, as per given data, a bar is equal to x component 4, y component 6. This can be written as 4i cap plus 6j cap. A bar plus b bar equals to 10i cap plus 9j cap. A bar plus b bar is equal to 10i cap plus 9j cap. So you have to find b bar. B bar can be written as a bar plus b bar minus of a bar. B bar equals to a bar plus b bar minus a bar. A bar plus b bar means 10i cap plus 9j cap minus a bar means minus of 4i cap plus 6j cap. That equals to 10i cap minus 4i cap is equal to, that can be written as 10 minus 4i cap plus 9 minus 6j cap. That equals to 10 minus 4, 6i cap plus 9 minus 6, 3j cap plus 3j cap. B bar component 6 and 3. Magnitude of b bar. Modulus of b bar is equal to root of 6 square plus 3 square. That equals to root of 6 square means 36 plus 3 square means 9. So root of 36 plus 9, 45. So therefore, magnitude of b bar is root 45. Fourth one, given a bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and b bar is equal to 3i cap minus 5j cap plus k cap. Find the angle between a bar and b bar. You have to find the angle between given vectors. So a bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Given vector b bar is equal to 3i cap minus 5j cap plus k cap. So require magnitude of a bar, that is a. Magnitude of a bar is equal to a. So a is equal to formula root of ax square plus ay square plus az square formula. So a is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. That equals to root of 4 plus 3 square means 9 plus 4 square 16. That equals to root 29. A value root 29, that is the modulus of a bar or magnitude of a bar vector is root 29. Similarly, I have to find the magnitude of b bar, that is equal to b. So b is equal to root of 3 square plus of minus 5 square means 5 square plus 1 square. That equals to root of 9 plus 25 plus 1. So root of 35. So magnitude of b bar vector is root 35. That is b is equal to root 35. So the resultant vector r bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So addition of the vectors is called resultant vector. R bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So a bar means 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus b bar is equal to 3i cap minus 5j cap plus k cap. That equals to 2 plus 3, 5i cap, 3j cap minus 5j cap minus 2j cap. Next to plus 4k cap plus k cap plus 5k cap. So r bar is equal to 5i cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. So we have to find the magnitude of r bar, that is r. R is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square formula. That is root of 5 square plus of minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. That equals to root of 25 plus 4 plus 25. Root of, so 25 plus 25, 50 plus 4, 54. Root 54. Magnitude of r bar, that is r is equal to root of 54. A value root 29, b value root 35, r value root 54. So we have the formula r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So theta is the angle between a bar and b bar vectors. We have to find the theta value. So this can be written as cos theta is equal to r square minus a square minus b square divided by 2ab. R means root 54. R square means root 54 whole square minus a square means root of 29 whole square minus b square means root of 35 whole square. Root of 35 whole square whole divided by a means root 29 into b means root 35. So root 54 whole square means 54 minus 29 minus 35 divided by 2 into root 29 into root 35. That equals to, so after simplification, so we got the value equals to minus 0.0 1567. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 0.1567. This is equals to cos 99. Cos theta is equal to cos 99. Cos cancel. Theta is equal to 99 degrees.
Please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel.